Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a new industry that's coming to Jamaica. And this one has to do with aviation. MBJ Airports Limited, operator of Sangster International Airport, is exploring the development of an aircraft maintenance, repair, and overall facility. It's called a MRO in Montego Bay. If approved, the center would service aircraft from Jamaica and across the Caribbean, carrying out inspections, repairs, and major maintenance. Now, this is a major development for Jamaica. For decades, Jamaica's aviation sector has revolved around transporting millions of visitors to the island's beaches and resorts. But a new opportunity could see the country move beyond tourism and into one of the world's most valuable aviation industries, aircraft maintenance, repair, and overall MRO. This week, MBJ Airports Limited revealed that it is actively exploring the development of an aircraft maintenance facility. The company says it is already evaluating one interested operator and will move forward if there is sufficient demand from airlines. If the project becomes a reality, it would represent much more than another airport expansion. It would mark Jamaica's entry into a highly skilled, technology-driven industry that serves airlines across the Caribbean and beyond. Aircraft maintenance facilities perform routine inspections, heavy maintenance, structural repairs, engine servicing, and complete overhauls, required to keep the aircraft safe and certified to fly. Airlines spend billions of dollars globally each year on these services, and many currently send aircraft overseas for maintenance. For Jamaica, establishing an MRO industry could create hundreds of high-paying jobs for aircraft engineers, avionics technicians, mechanics, welders, inspectors, planners, and logistics specialists. It would also encourage universities and technical institutions to expand aviation engineering and maintenance training programs, creating new career paths for young Jamaicans. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.